Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel CS with Rahul. Guys, in today's video in interview series, we are going to cover another real-time example that how the Java 8 things are being used in real projects. So here side by side we are creating a mini project which will help you to understand the different concepts, right, which we have already covered in the previous videos. So previously also we have covered too many things through the videos. The same thing and some new things we will see in this particular video. So this project will demonstrate you that how can you use the core Java and Java 8 to build the real-time and production style monitoring system without external framework. So all those things we are going to create here, that how a particular stock exchange system ticks, means it will so look like a real stock, like real stock ticker. And this is going to be very important and very interesting video. So without delay we will start the video. Let's get started. So guys, first of all, let me brief about this particular video, that what we are going to do here. We are going to create a live real-time stock price monitor where we simulate a continuous real-time stock price monitor system which will work like a live ticker. It means whatever the time we will provide, in that particular time it will fluctuate, like stock prices are getting increased or getting updates, right? So those kind of thing we are going to do, and we will display it at the as a live analytics, right, in the console. So here we have used the thread also. Some interesting concepts we have used inside this project. So please be with the video till last. Subscribe my channel guys if you have not subscribed it. Please support me on this, that I am creating new ideas, new videos related to your Java 8, and giving you the feeling that how real-time projects is being worked when we are using these kind of features. So in this, what we are going to demonstrate, we will use obviously object-oriented programming. We are going to use some concepts, Java 8 stream API, lambda expression, filters, and many more features of the Java 8. We will use it here. Multi-threading we will use in this concept, so this will give you a new touch and new look, right, to your concepts, that how can you do it. After that we will use the scheduled executor service, which will schedule, uh, do the task in a particular given system in the background, that how it could print the live stock exchange system, right? And we are using the real-time simulation here. So now directly we will jump to the coding guys, because theory has been done. So now we are going to move to the main coding part. So make, if he this video is going to interesting guys, please be with the video. If you are liking it, please do hit the like button, support me. So I will, in the next video, next time I will cover more interesting things which is real time related projects. So here guys, I have already created one class, nothing else I have created. I have just created a main class which continuous stocks, which is continuous stock monitor, right? Which is continuous stock monitor. So what we are going to see, like I have created you the output here. You can see guys here that every time this stock is going to be update in your system, right? This would be our output guys. This would be our output, like you can see in every seconds, every 2 seconds. See, you can see here price is going to be increased or decreased, price is going to be update, and we are going to use some features here. So please be with this, so it will be interesting for you. So first of all, what we need to do guys, first of all we are going to create a simple class, right? And this class is what? This class is related to our stock. So first of all, what we will do, we will create a real time, we will create a stock class. As and one more important thing guys, in the previous video also, right, just we I have created another example, right, which is very much important and very good, you can say very good concepts of that, right. You can go there guys and you can see that how that will work, you can see there. Okay, so go to my playlist and watch that video also, that is also real time related code that will help you to understand the concepts. Okay, so next what we are going to do guys, next we are going to create another class. Which type of class we are going to create? We are going to create a stock class where we will keep the symbol and price, right, whatever the symbol will be there and whatever the price is going to be there. Symbol means guys, we will keep like company names like Amazon, so we will keep like AMZ and like that. Okay, Microsoft, MSFT, this kind of thing we are going to take it there, right. So first we will create the stock class and then we will go ahead. So as you can remember, in the previous video also I have created one class. Okay, so here I am creating the stock class, and in this stock class guys, I am going to create private string type symbol, means whatever the company name is would be there guys. After that we are going to create private double price we are keeping as a double, right. Here we are going to create one public stock constructor to initialize it, to store the value, right. And double type price, everything I am doing it by coding only guys. Okay, I am not going to here do any shortcut, so I am writing everything for you, this dot symbol, so it would be easy for you to understand and to revise the concepts also. This dot symbol, this dot price, and price we are storing here. So now the constructor has been created. After that we will create the getter methods, right. Two getter methods we will create it here. That how can we do it? Public, what is the return type of this symbol? Commented guys, get symbol, it is return type of string, so get symbol. And here I am providing what? Return symbol. Here I am providing return symbol. Same as I will create another getter method, public double get price. So here get price is there. After that I will return it, return price. Now I will override a toString method. Why I am going to override a toString method? I am going to override toString method. Once you will print the object, so something should be printed, right? Something should be printed. Okay. And here one more thing, I am going to create one setter method. Let me create guys, public set price, because we will set the price also. Okay, double price, how we are going to set the price? Once it will be initialized, another time it would be assigned with the new value. Okay, assigned with the new value. So this is the setter method guys. Okay, public void, sorry I forgot to write the void, no issues, I will write it here, public void set price. Now our class has been completed, and one important thing, which is at the rate override and public string, to string method I am going to create it here, right. So what I'm going to do, what I'm going to return here in the toString method, I will use the string dot format, right. String dot format I will use, and I will just print by the company name, means by the symbol, right. Return what I should return guys, I should return string dot format, string dot format So as in the previous coding like C and C++ we were doing, same thing we are doing here. So first string would be there, after that arrow would be there. This is not lambda expression, this is arrow guys. Then point to f means whatever the price would be there, only two decimal places we are going to print, right? And in place of these things, in this would be %f guys, and in place of these things I am first going to return the symbol, and after that I am going to return what? I am going to return price. So that's it, this has been created our stock class guys. I hope you are clear with this till now. If you have any doubt you can ask me guys in the comment, but your all the doubts you keep it with you, all the doubts would be clear. Let me revise it fast, that I have created two variable symbol means company name. Here we are storing the company name, here the price we are storing. I have created one parameterized constructor, one set method for the price, right? And after that get methods for all symbol. Okay, next what I'm going to next, now it's time to implement our logic, right? Now it's time to implement our logic according to our requirement, that how can I do this. Let's see guys. So first of all I am going to store some stock list. I am going to create some stock list, right? I am going to initialize it, initialize stock list. So I will use here, as previously I have used, I am using here also arrays dot as list, right? Arrays class initialize stock list. How I'm going to do, first I will create a list of stock, because our stock class is there, we have declared, okay, defined. Then stock list I am creating arrays dot as list, arrays dot as list I am going to create here, and I will store it now through the new stock. Okay, new stock, and in new stock I have to provide two things, right? I have to provide two things. What I have to provide, I have to provide the company name in symbol, and I have to provide the share price. Okay, so first of all I'm going to take like Google GOG, I'm taking here like 1500, whatever the amount you want you can do it guys, no issues. Let me copy this, and let me put the comma here. 1 2 3 4, maybe 4 or 5, whatever you want, that you can provide it here. First change the semicolon, and at last no semicolon. Now your stock has been created. What is the mistake here? Let me check what it is saying. If anything is there, okay, we have to import the java.util class. Okay, once util class will be there, all errors are gone. Now I will do it for the Microsoft MSFT, right? Microsoft MSFT I'm taking any price. Let me put it the price as a 1000. Then I am FLKRT, FLRT, FLKT, Flipkart. Okay, Flipkart 800, and let me create it Amazon AMZN. This I am creating it here by 500. Yes, okay, no issues. 500 it will be get excluded. Then I will create like RELN, Reliance, RLNC would be good guys. RLNC. Okay, Reliance price is there, which is also I'm taking like something 700. So now we have initialized the list. I hope guys till now you don't have any doubt, right? Till now you don't have any doubt. Now we will create a schedule executor for continuous update, guys. What we will do, I will do schedule executor for continuous update. I will create it here. So this is new thing which I am introducing here in this series. Schedule executor for continuous updates. How we can do it? So we can call our interface. One interface is there, schedule executor service. Schedule executor service I am going to create here, right? Scheduler I am going to give the name equal to new, and here schedule executor service, right? So here in the schedule executor service already it has been created. Let me control Z. Okay, we will call one method, guys, new schedule thread pool. We will create a thread pool by the executor method here, right? We will not directly call with the executor method. We have one interface which is executor, so we will call it here new schedule executor. Okay, with the executors, new schedule execute new schedule thread pool. We are going to create a thread pool here. Okay, we are going to create here one thread pool. So what it will do, guys, it will create a thread pool here, right? So this we are going to use for the continuous update. What we have to provide the parameter pool size. Core pool size means the number of threads to keep in the pool even if they are idle. So how many threads we are going to be keep in the pool once, right? So we are going to provide it here one new pool. Okay, so this will help us to manages the schedule background task, and it will replace infinite loop and thread dot sleep method. We are using it for background thread for efficiency. Okay, so now what is our next task? Next task is we have to create the thread and we have to run it. So now we are going to create the thread by the runnable interface, right? There are many methods, guys, in the core Java. You can recollect your knowledge, but here I am going to create it through the runnable interface, and we are going to use the lambda expression. How we can do it? Runnable, and we will create a task here once. Okay, once after creating the thread pool, call the runnable interface, and we are creating a variable which is task. After the task, what we have to provide? We are creating through the lambda expression. Okay, we are creating the lambda expression, guys. Inside that, let me first print one line. What we are going to print in this? We are going to print stock update. Okay, that in which particular date we are going to execute it, right? We will call here the date method. I am going to explain you as well as writing the code, so that it would be click in my mind that what next line I am going to write it here. Okay, so let me create it the line. Next line, sys out, and here I will write what? Here I will write in the double quotes, I will write, guys, I will new line first. Why new line? Every time when it will get printed, in every time when it get updated, that our message should be printed in the new line. Okay, our message should be printed in the new line. So stock update at, we can keep like this, something star or whatever equals you want. Stock update at what? Which date? Which date, guys? So here we are going to take the new date, right? Whatever the date is there, let me import it. Let me import it. So we can use the date one java dot Date I have already used guys, java.util. Which class I am going to use here? Java.util. Okay, after that we will print again like this, that in particular this time we are going to update the we are going to update the stocks every time. Okay, after that what we have to do? After that now we are going to implement our concepts. Okay, so first we will, what we will do, we will randomly update stock price, because we are creating the live stock, right, which will be updated. So how we can do this guys? How we can do this? We can do this by random update of stock price. So you have to think guys, that how can you perform this? How can you perform this? Okay, let me, yes, how can we perform this? What we can perform this? How can we perform the continuous updation, right? That is our main challenge. So whatever the stock list is there, we will call it one by one, right? And after that we will make the changes in the price only. So let me call stocks dot for each. What stock list we have created? Stock list, stock stock, guys, stock list dot for each. Stock list dot for each I am creating here. And after that what I will do guys, I will use here, see, another one important lambda expression, and for lambda expression I am going to use it here, right? Lambda expression I am going to use it here. One by one stock will come, one by one stock will come through the lambda expression. Then whatever the things I will apply here in this stock will be streamed line, and it will be applicable to one by one to each stock to increase the price. Okay, one by one I am going to implement it. So first of all what I will do, I will create some changes. Okay, I will create some changes. Okay, so what it will do guys? So first let me put the double changes or change guys, and after that I am calling thread local random dot thread local random dot current, means whatever the current thread is there. Okay, thread local random dot current dot next double. Okay, dot next double. And in next double what I am going to provide? -5 or +5, we have to change it, right? By -5 or +5, either minus or either plus. So why I have taken this random dot local thread local random? Because of the thread safety of the current thread, and this would return the price -5 or +5, and the same thing we will add it to our class, add it to our stock, means whatever the current stock is there, that we will use it here. So how can we do it? Just see it guys. So stock, already we have defined stock dot set price. Okay, set price. In set price what I have to do? Whatever, first we will get the previous price. Okay, first we will get the previous price. After that only we can add it, right? Dot change. So this is the changes, right? This is the change we are going to update in the each thread every time, right? After that we will filter and sort high value stocks. What we are going to do? Filter and sort high value stock. Filter and add high value stock. Now our stock has created, and now we have done the updation also, and our next task is to filter the high value stocks. So how can we do it guys? How can we do it? You can comment out and tell me that here real time example we are taking. So real time users we are seeing for the what? Java 8 features, right? So this kind of things is going to be in real time projects. High value stocks we are, let me keep it as a stock. And first what we have to do, we have to call the stock list, guys. We are calling the stock list dot stream we are creating. Why we are using the stream? Because we are using the Java 8 feature. One by one we have to do the task, right? After that we are calling filter, right? Stock stock I am going to call it here, right? Maybe it's already defined inside the scope. So as I am taking as a stock here in the filter, and what we will call get price. Get price, which is what? Which is more than 500. Any stock which is 500, or what? One stock, let me take it, which is uh, 800, guys. Okay, which is 800, not 500, because 500 is our last value. Okay, so here I have filtered the stock, guys, based on what? Based on price. What high value stocks we are going to filter it here. After that what we are going to do, we are going to sort them also, right? We are going to sort them also. So for sort, what we are calling, as we have already used the this method many times previously, right? Here the stock price is what? Here the stock price is double, so we will call it like comparators dot comparing comparing double, guys. What? Comparing double, because we are dealing with the price, and price is what type of data? Price is double type of data. Now how we will get the price? We will get the price by the s dot or stock method reference. Another feature we are going to use it here, right? Get price. Here we got the price, and we have to order it, right? We have to order it. So high value order means high stock should be there in the screen at the top, right? So we will reversed it, right? So we will reversed it. I hope, guys, you are enjoying this coding, you are enjoying this example. Let me keep it here so it will look like proper to you. And after that, after the sorting, we have to do the collect, right? Dot, we are going to collect collectors dot to list. If you are using Java 17, then directly you can provide the to list, no issues. So the first task we have achieved, guys. What first task we have achieved? We have done our sorting based on high value, based on high value sorts, and we have sort sets also, right? So now we will print it, right? High value stocks which is more than 500. High value stocks sys out high value stocks more than 800, right? Let's keep it like the dollar. Okay, now what is our task? Our task is just to print it. How can we print it? We can directly call by the for each method, right? By the for each method, system dot out, and then print ln. Save. The one task we have done it here, guys. One task we have done it here. I hope, guys, you are clear with this and you are enjoying. You are with me only. Okay, now what other task we will do? Because we are creating the Flickr system, so we will first calculate the average price. What is the average price of those stocks, right? So whatever the stock is there, this is very easy, right? This is very easy. Already we have done this kind of things, so we are going to implement this in the real time project. Average of stocks, average price of stocks. How can we do it? So first let me create the double avg price, right? After that, whatever the stocks are there, we have stock list, we have dot stream we are going to create. After that, map. What we are going to do? Map to double, right? Map to, we have different methods, map to double. And what we are going to take it, whatever the stock class we have, okay, with the stock we can call the, through the method reference, stock get price. Okay, stock dot get price dot average method we have, guys, right? Average method we have. If no average is available, or else we can provide 0 0.0, right? So this will show the average price of the stock, right? Now we are going to print it, right? Now we are going to print it. As we have to print it in the two uh, decimal places, so I am using here what, this is our second task, guys. The first task we have achieved, means first operational task, right? Second task here we have achieved. I hope you are clear with this. Sys out. Okay, after the sys out, what we are going to do? Average price of stocks. What is the average price of stocks? So let me take it here, the printf, guys. Let me take it here, the printf. And after the printf, what I am going to do, I am going to take like the previous in string dot format we have used, point to f, and also point percent n. Percent n we can use for the new line. Okay, every time it would be printed in the new line, average price. Okay, so here we have achieved another thing, right? Next, what we have to do, we have to schedule our task, guys. We have to schedule our task, what, after every 2 seconds, right? So we have, as you remember, you can see it here, we have created one scheduler here. Okay, so the same scheduler we are going to call it here, right? But not inside the runnable, because the task inside the runnable we have already done, right? So this video is going a bit large, guys. Don't be upset, but here you will enjoy the video, right? That how we are going to perform the task. So we have one method, schedule at fixed rate. We have to schedule at fixed rate. Scheduler we will call here, right? Whatever the scheduler variable, schedule at fixed rate we are going to call. We are going to provide 4 parameters. First is what? First is runnable, right? First is whatever the runnable, means whatever the thread we have provided. Another is what? Another is we are going to see what is another parameter of this, right? So total 4 parameter we have to provide. First we have already provided, right? First, second parameter is initial delay, and then long period, and then time unit. 4 things we have to provide. So what we are providing? Initial delay 0, and another delay means long term we have provided like what, 2 seconds, and whatever the unit, time unit dot seconds, we are going to call another class here, time unit dot seconds, right? Time unit dot seconds, this we are going to call it here. So what it will do, guys, what it will do, tell me in the comment. Just now I have told to you, right? Every 2 seconds, initial delay means nothing, no delay would be there. Immediately we will run the program, it will execute the code, right? And every 2 seconds it will be executed this task. And then we are providing in which type of time we have given. We have given the time unit as a second, right? Now what we will do, because once we will run it, right, once we will run it, every time it would be continuous execution, right? So first let me run it, guys. Let me save it and run it. So this stock price, what will happen? See, you can see in the screen. I hope you are enjoying the output, guys. What we are seeing, high value stock. This we are seeing 2 stocks are there, like GOG and this one. Okay, maybe I have provided one dot, that I will remove it from here. Okay, then Google, Microsoft, Google, Microsoft, Google, these type of stocks are high value stocks currently, Okay, and average price you are seeing every 2 seconds, you are seeing this. So this ticker will never be stopped guys, until unless we are going to stop it here. So what I will do it guys, what I will do it, I will provide another code. So after 20 minutes, 60 seconds, whatever you want, this ticker will automatically be stopped. Okay, you can see whatever we have done, right? So let me stop it first. We'll go to our code and we'll write another part of the code. Okay, another part of our code, like, so let me comment it here first. Schedule every 2 seconds, right? Every 2 seconds we have done it, right? Next, what we have to do, we have to stop after every, stop the ticker after 20 seconds. So whatever the time you will provide, it will stop. I am providing for 20 seconds only, just for your demo. Okay, just for your demo. Let me go it here guys. 0.2% I have provided. So guys, first we will fix this one. See here, 0.2, something like this is coming, no? So actually I have here I have written in my toString method, by mistake, maybe typing mistake I have done it. We have to do like this, percent 0.2f, like here we have given percent 0.2f, like this we have to provide it here. Don't worry about that. Okay, next we are going to implement our another code. How we are going to implement? We have to stock it, right? So we are calling open.schedule method, scheduler.schedule method, right? Okay, so inside that we are providing some lambda expression. Scheduler method we are going to call, dot schedule we are going to call. Here we are providing the callback, means whatever the, well, whatever the task we have to perform, we will do it by the lambda expression. I step by step you will see that how we are doing that, the doing this. So first let me create the message, right? First let me provide the message. What message? What it is saying, scheduled system.out.println. Okay, stopping stock monitor. Okay, let me provide this new line, stopping stock monitor. See, now here I am going to stop it, right? After the stop, what I have to provide, I will provide scheduler dot shutdown. Whatever the scheduler we have created, dot shutdown, we will provide it here, right? Scheduler, we have already created scheduler dot shutdown. Okay, scheduler dot shutdown we are calling it here. Okay, after the scheduler, how we have to provide the time. After the scheduler we have to provide the time here. So what time? In after 20 seconds. And how we will say that this is 20 seconds? Time unit class we will call it here, and we will say that this is time in which seconds. Okay, so just saving it. I hope guys you enjoyed this code. Let me clear the output first. Let me run this code again, and now you can see the ticker. So every 2 seconds, every 2 seconds you can see the stock. Now you can see high value orders, right? Flipkart also came guys, see above. Okay, here Flipkart also came, here Flipkart also came, more than 100, right? And after 20 seconds guys, just we will wait for the 20 seconds only, right? So now guys, you have seen that how the real-time application is working. Now see, stopping stock monitor, after 20 seconds it has been stopped. Okay, so guys, if you have watched the complete video, please practice it, because once you will practice, then only the concept will be cleared. Okay, so here we have used too many things of the Java 8, like filter, we have used average method, we have used, or else we have used, okay, method reference we have used, threading also we have used here. Okay, now guys, if you really like my video, please do hit the like button, share this video to your friends, comment if you have any doubt, subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, so that you will get the another important video which is related to this type of coding. Subscribe my channel. We will meet in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep watching, keep coding.